finished. This is higher because under the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, which is around 1 lakh crore, additional allocations had been made for food subsidy. Food subsidy allocation for this year, 22-23, is 2.07 lakh crores, which is the best estimate of requirement at this point in time. So it's still higher. The food subsidy is well over 2 lakh crores. Sir, doubling of farmers' income also has been an issue on which several members, Srimati Chaya Verma, Jose K. Mani, Rajamani Patel ji, Syed Nazir Hussain ji, Amar Patnaik ji have all voiced their concern, and I can fully understand. In 2013-14, sir, the expenditure of Department of Agriculture and Cooperation was only about 19,000 crores, 13-14, whereas this has been increased 6.6 times, and today it is at 1.24 lakh crores, 22-23 for Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Out of this, 68,000 crores will be transferred in DBT mode to the bank accounts of farmers, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Yojana. Just to make this a bit more elaborately, BE 21-22 for fertilizer subsidy was 79,530. In RE it became 1.4 lakh crores, which represents 75% increase. And the fertilizer subsidy this year is also being increased. There was also farmer producer organizations. 10,000 are being funded. The FPOs are being formed. Agri Infrastructure Fund, the AIF, has 100,000 crores being created for the creation of Agriculture Fund, Infrastructure Fund. We have given the money. Sir, if we are giving the data, sir, it is because the questions have been asked. One more important question on how we supported the MSME. MSME sector was a concern for member Suresh Reddy and also member A.D. Singh ji. I just want to highlight the points through which you'll, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, you will understand that for MSMEs,